Good morning, students. We were discussing the story The Eyes Have It by Ruskin Bond. We have already read out almost half of the story. The story begins with the narrator who was alone in a train compartment up to Rohana, and a girl boarded the compartment. The narrator got infatuated with the voice of the girl. Then he initiated a conversation with the girl by asking about her destination and gradually became interested in her. He tactfully concealed his blindness from the girl to impress her. He was behaving like a sighted person. The girl also became interested about his destination. So when the narrator said that he was going to Mussoorie, the girl expressed a deep love for the hills and became enchanted by the description of the hilly areas of Mussoorie. During this conversation, suddenly the narrator asked the girl how the outside looked like. But the girl asked him to look outside. He faced the open window and pretended to study the landscape. But instead of studying the landscape, he called on his memories. তো এই পর্যন্ত আমরা পড়েছিলাম। তো তারপর থেকে আমরা আজ শুরু করব। Have you noticed, I ventured, that the trees seem to be moving while we seem to be standing still? So the narrator asks something, taking risk, that has she noticed the trees seem to be moving whereas they seem to be standing still? Venture means taking the risk of saying something. That always happens, she said. Do you see any animals? So তখন মেয়েটি কি বলল যে this is very common thing that always happens. It always happens that the passengers feel they are standing still while the trees outside seem to be moving. Then the girl asked him if he found wild animals in the forest. তার উত্তরে narrator কি বলল? No, I answered quite confidently. I knew that there were hardly any animals left in the forest near Dehra. তখন narrator ভীষণ কনফিডেন্টলি আনসার দিল। কি আনসার দিল? The narrator confidently answered from his previous experience that he could not see any animals because he knew that there were hardly any animals left in the forest near Dehra. So he was confident about it as he had previous knowledge. I turned from the window and faced the girl, and for a while we sat in silence. তারপর কি হলো? Turning from the window, the narrator faced the girl, and for a while means for some times, কিছুক্ষণের জন্য কি করলো? They sat in silence. তারপরে কি বললো narrator? You have an interesting face, I remarked. This is important line. The narrator praised the girl by saying her face was interesting. He perhaps said this from the intellectual point of view, as he felt from her conversation, she was smart enough. সেই জন্য হয়তো বলেছিল যে she had an interesting face. I was becoming quite daring, but it was a safe remark. Few girls can resist flattery. She laughed pleasantly, a clear, ringing laugh. He knew that it was quite daring to speak in that way to an unknown girl. Daring মানে brave, heroic. সো একটা আননোন গার্লকে এইরকম মন্তব্য করাটা খুব ডিয়ারিং একটা অ্যাপ্রোচ। হি ডিয়ার টু ফ্ল্যাটার দ্য গার্ল অ্যাজ হি থট অলমোস্ট এভরি গার্লস লাইক ফ্ল্যাটারি, সো দিস গার্ল উড নট বি এবল টু রেজিস্ট ইট। সেই জন্য বলছে যে ফিউ গার্লস ক্যান রেজিস্ট ফ্ল্যাটারি। তারপর মেয়েটি তখন কি করলো, কি রিয়াকশন দিল? She laughed pleasantly, a clear, ringing laugh. The girl heartily accepted this compliment with a clear, ringing laugh. তাহলে মেয়েটিও ফ্ল্যাটারি রেজিস্ট করতে পারল না। She laughed at his remark. It's nice to be told I have an interesting face. I'm tired of people telling me I have a pretty face. She, তাহলে মেয়েটি কি বলছে যে she has an interesting face। এই কমেন্টটা, এই রিমার্কটা শুনতে তার বেশ ভালোই লেগেছে। she was pleased at the narrator's description of her face as an interesting face। তার ভালোই লেগেছে বেশ। as she was used to hear that she has pretty face, she was bored by the usual compliment about her pretty face, pretty look. So এই যে রিমার্কটা, এই ডেসক্রিপশনটা যে she has an interesting face, এইটা তার কাছে নিউ, ভীষণ আনইউজুয়াল, সেই জন্য বেশ খুশি হয়েছে। আমরা অ্যাট দ্য ভেরি আউটসেট অফ দ্য স্টোরি আমরা জেনেছি যে ন্যারেটর ওয়ান্টেড টু ডিসকভার হাউ দ্য গার্ল লুক লাইক। দেখো এখানে কিন্তু ন্যারেটর জেনে গেল যে দ্য গার্ল লুকড ভেরি প্রিটি। Oh, so you do have a pretty face, thought I, and aloud I said, well, an interesting face can also be pretty. After knowing that the girl had a pretty face, he mended or corrected by saying that an interesting face can also be pretty. তখন মেয়েটি কি বলল? You are a very gallant young man, she said. But why are you so serious? The girl, তাহলে তখন মেয়েটিকে, the girl took him to be very gallant, brave young man for such a frank comment, for such a comment. She praised her gallantry এবং জিজ্ঞাসা করলো, why are you so serious? So the girl asked about his seriousness. It seemed as if the girl wished for a less serious mood for me. তারপর কি হলো? I thought then I would try to laugh for her, but the thought of laughter only made me feel troubled and lonely. So the narrator tried to laugh for her. যখন মেয়েটি বলল যে why are you so serious, তখন হাসতে চাইল, but the thought of laughter only made him feel troubled and lonely. Most important line. Maybe এটা কেন বলছে যে maybe he had no good experience with laughter, as he was blind. People used to laugh at him. Most of the time people left him alone. So the thought of laughter made him feel uneasy and lonely. We will soon be at your station, I said. আমরা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি তোমার স্টেশনে পৌঁছে যাব। Thank goodness it's a short journey. I can't bear to sit in a train for more than 2 or 3 hours. তখন মেয়েটি কী করলো? The girl thanked God for the short journey. The girl claimed that she did not like long journeys. সেজন্য বলল যে ওই যে বলছে না, I can't bear to sit in a train for more than 2 or 3 hours. So she was glad that her station was approaching or coming soon. Yet I was prepared to sit there for almost any length of time just to listen to her talking. Her voice had the sparkle of a mountain stream. But the narrator got fascinated with the girl's voice, as her voice had charming effect on him. So the narrator was prepared to sit there for almost any length of time just to listen her voice. কারণ her voice had the sparkle of a mountain stream. He was moved with the sound of her voice so much that he said that her voice had the liveliness of the mountain stream. Sparkle means liveliness. Mountain stream, a stream that flows down from a mountain. So her voice was very much lively. As soon as she left the train, she would forget our brief encounter, but it would stay with me for the rest of the journey and for some time after. The narrator thought when the girl would get down, she would forget him and their meeting. Encounter means sudden meeting. But the sweet memory would remain with him for a long time. He would ruminate over this through his rest of his journey and for some times after that. Actually, this brief encounter with the girl left a lasting impression in the narrator's mind. That's why he felt. Okay. The engine's whistle shrieked. The carriage wheels changed their sound and rhythm. The girl got up and began to collect her things. তারপর কি হলো? How the train is approaching towards the station is described from a blind person's perspective. দেখো, just before reaching the station, Saharanpur, the engine's whistle shrieked. Shriek means high pitched sound, তীক্ষ্ণ আওয়াজ. And the carriage which carriage refers to the train itself. So the engine's whistle and the change of sound and rhythm of the carriage of the train carriage wheels chakar gave the girl signal that the train was approaching Saharanpur, the girl's destination. যখন কোনো ট্রেন স্টেশনে ঢোকে তখন ট্রেনের গতি কমতে থাকে। তো যেহেতু এক্ষেত্রে তো ব্লাইন্ড ম্যানের পার্সপেক্টিভে সব কিছু দেখানো হচ্ছে, সো এখানে গতি কমলে কি হয়, ট্রেনের চাকার সাউন্ড বা রিদমের আওয়াজটা, রিদম বা চাকার সাউন্ডটা কিন্তু কি হয়, চেঞ্জ হয়, এবং সেটা থেকে এই সাউন্ডটা শুনে কিন্তু বুঝতে পারলো যে স্টেশনে ঢুকছে, মানে গতিটা কমাচ্ছে ট্রেনটা। সো মেয়েটি কী করলো তখন? she started collecting her things. I wondered if she wore her hair in bun or if it was plaited. Perhaps it was hanging loose over her shoulders, or was it cut very short? As the narrator was blind, he could only guess about the girl's appearance. সেটাকে গেস করতে হয়েছিল। সো when the girl was about to depart, he became tempted to know her hairstyle. Most probably, he was tempted by the perfume from her hair. He wondered if she wore her hair in a bun, খোপা করেছিল নাকি it was plaited, বিনুনি করা ছিল. One means খোপা আর plaited মানে বিনুনি. He was not sure whether it was hanging loose over her shoulders, চুলটা কি খোলা ছিল মানে ঝুলছিল তার শোল্ডারের উপর, or it was cut very short, ছোট ছোট করে কাটা ছিল. The train drew slowly into the station. Then the train slowly steamed into Saharanpur station. আস্তে আস্তে সাহারানপুর স্টেশনে ঢুকলো. Outside there was the shouting of porters and vendors and high-pitched female voice near the carriage door. That voice must have belonged to the girl's aunt. This is a very realistic picture of a railway platform. When the train stops, vendors, porters shout. Porters, you know, persons who carry bags or loads of other persons. Okay. And তাছাড়া কি হয় স্টেশনে রিলেটিভস ওয়েট ফর দেয়ার গেস্ট. So such is the case here. When the train stopped at Saharanpur, the shouting of porters, vendors could be heard, and a high-pitched female voice. Maybe the girl's aunt was calling out the girl's name in a high-pitched voice near the carriage door. দরজার কাছে, ট্রেনের ওই দরজাটার কাছে. তাদের কাছে কী করছে, ওই তীক্ষ্ণ আওয়াজ শোনা যাচ্ছিল, মেবি মেয়েটার আন্টের. গুড বাই, দ্য গার্ল সেইড. তখন দ্য গার্ল bade goodbye to the narrator. She was standing very close to me, so close that the perfume from her hair was tantalizing. I wanted to raise my hand and touch her hair, but she moved away. Only the scent of perfume still lingered where she had stood. তাহলে কি হলো? Before getting down, the girl stood very close to the narrator. So close, he could smell the perfume of her hair, which was tantalizing, means attractive, which was tempting. The narrator was too intoxicated, too much tempted to touch her hair. But when he raised his hand to touch it, she went away. She said goodbye and disembarked. She went away. নেমে গেল তখন. Only the scent of perfume still lingered while she had stood. কিন্তু even after she had got down the train, নেমে যাওয়ার পরেও narrator could feel the presence, ফিল করতে পারছিল, as the perfume still remained there. লিঙ্গারিং বলছে না, লিঙ্গার্ড মিনস রিমেইন ফর সাম টাইম, ঘোরাঘুরি করছিল ওই জায়গাটায় ছিল তখনও ওর ওই পারফিউমের গন্ধটা. ওকে, হোপ ইউ হ্যাভ আন্ডারস্টুড. থ্যাংক ইউ.